old lady come to me. Man, you been working so hard. We need to go for a vacation. I looked at that bitch like she was stupid. I said, if you don't bring you and Junior to McDonald's and bring y'all ass to the playground in your bathing suits, that's the only vacation we get. I was out there sitting on the beach chair, watching him slide down the slide. I sprayed a little grease on that motherfucker. He like, Daddy, the slide feels so good. I said, enjoy yourself, son. We stayed there, he had a blast. My wife, she had a little attitude, but fuck that bitch. When she ain't gotta pay for shit, you shouldn't be complaining, bitch. You shouldn't want to go to the beach like that anyway. If you wearing a goddamn one piece, when you get a goddamn two-piece body, that's when we'll leave McDonald's. I was out there in my swimming trunks, smoking me a cigar, having a blast out there. Still taking orders. Driving around. I was just like that. Killing 2 burgers with 1 spatula.